Sending money from Australia to New Zealand is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you will need to choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. There are several options available, including online transfer services such as TransferWise and PayPal, as well as traditional banks. First, you will need to create an account with your chosen service provider. This will typically involve providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to the next step. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. It is essential to ensure that these details are accurate, as any errors may result in the transfer being delayed or rejected. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you wish to transfer. You can typically choose from a range of currencies, including Australian dollars and New Zealand dollars. Be aware that exchange rates may fluctuate, and you may be charged a fee for the transfer. Once you have confirmed the transfer details, you can proceed to pay for the transfer. This can usually be done using a debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. The transfer service will then process the payment and send the funds to the recipient's bank account. It is essential to note that transfer times may vary depending on the service provider and the transfer method. Some services may offer instant transfers, while others may take several days to process. Additionally, you may be charged a fee for the transfer, which can range from a few dollars to a percentage of the transfer amount. To get the best value for your money, it is recommended that you compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different service providers. You can also consider using a service that offers low or no fees, such as TransferWise. In conclusion, sending money from Australia to New Zealand is a relatively simple process that can be completed online or through a traditional bank. By following these steps and choosing a reputable service provider, you can ensure that your transfer is processed quickly and efficiently. Always remember to compare exchange rates and fees, and to enter the recipient's details accurately to avoid any delays or errors.